For the MacBook users, a new software update is rolling out. The version of this update is macOS Tahoe 26.2 and the size is around 5.02 GB. This update comes with a few bug fixes, security improvements and other minor features. So I started downloading the update right away. Now here is something I noticed. The Tahoe update seems to be draining battery on MacBooks, especially on my M1 MacBook Air. Even after installing this update, the problem is still the same. Let me know in the comments how yours is. Also, I ran the Cinebench to see the scores before and after the update. You will see that as well. It's honestly nice to see that even the first generation of M series MacBooks are still getting updates regularly on time. This particular model, as you know, was released back in November 2020. Coming back to the update, it took around 20 minutes for my Mac to complete the installation. Here are the Cinebench scores before and after the update. Before the update, the CPU multi-core scored 7076 points, while after the update, it scored 6699 points. For the CPU single score, before updating, it's 1498 points, and after the update, it is 1503 points. There is a slight decrease in multi-core performance. Let's check this again in the next update. After 48 hours of using this MacBook post update, there are no issues I noticed. My model is working the same as before with the same battery backup. That's the update of Tahoe 26.2. If you have updated your MacBook and found any issues, feel free to share them in the comments. It will really help others too who are watching this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button so that this video reaches to more MacBook users like you, and I'll see you again in the next one.